Hi and welcome, I'm Ava and I just want to show you today some easy slime that I think is hilarious, and I just think it's so easy. So you have to have blue tack and a highlighter. I've just got pink, it can be any. If you have yellow, it just turns into green. So you get it, I'll show you. I'm gonna do it. I'll do it on the windowsill. So you get it, put it on, and you just want to smear it out. And get the highlighter and poke the blue tack while it has colour, like that, if you can see. Hopefully you saw it, like that. And then you just want to fold it over like fancy people do. And now I just want to scrunch it up. Sometimes it doesn't work, you just need to keep stabbing it and it will get there soon. Now I don't have enough time to do this all. So that's the best I can do in this amount of time. It only takes, see the little pink in there? It only takes not even 5 minutes, 3 minutes to do it, because it's just, all you need is blue tack, and you can get that from many places. It's easy. So, there we go. Here's the pink. So that's just easy to fiddle with, and I hope you have a nice day.